Hi guys, welcome to another LivinginSAtv video. David, guess what? Today we are going to do a thunder operation right here in Yeoville. You guys can see that I'm cleaning and also doing, so cleaning, some tiring of the road and all that. So we're also going to check some stores to see if they are compliant, see if we're going to find drugs, probably arrest people. And yeah guys, that's what we are doing. We are with local government stakeholders because I'm in the streets trying to find out, guys, what are they doing with our tax money. So yeah, this is the reply that I'm going to give you guys on this video and many more, because I promise you guys that I will be on the ground. Again guys, stay tuned because once again, this video will blow your mind. Okay guys, quick request, if you guys like what I'm doing, become a member. It will be amazing to have you guys help. Thanks. Okay, so the JRA came through. So this is what the JRA is going to fix today. Okay, let me show you guys how one of these shops looks like here in Yeoville. Let me just show you how people live around here. To show you guys this. So you got the normal store, right? Then look at this. Sorry guys, sorry son. So let's say the owner of the store lives like here.
So maybe he's using this one also for the toilet. He pees here, then he pours in here.
Are you serious?
This is the soap. Then after everything, this is his kitchen. This is his kitchen. This is the same thing. It serves as all of them. Kitchen.
And where is the bathroom? So the bathroom is somewhere around.
There's no bathroom.
Oh my god,
so this is the bathroom.
Yo, the smell is bad, eh?
And he cooks from here. He cooks from all these things here.
Sure.
So that's the reason why most of
we must not even entertain this one. We must just go.
Okay, we're gonna close now the store.
But I mean, would you eat this?
No, I won't eat. No.
Then why do you sell it?
You see, it's cleaning. I said it's cleaning just.
My friend, you haven't cleaned here ever in your entire life. As long as you live, you've never cleaned this shop.
Not today.
So if there's no date on it, how do you know how old it is?
Everyone is selling this bread.
We are here.
You must know your stuff. You are selling things.
When did they
You must
say
know
this?
about this thing. You must sell the customer. Am I
See
right?
everyone, you're not everyone.
Okay, so the JRA is gonna focus on this area here. You can see the new tar was already put yesterday, and they were already taking care of that yesterday. So they cleaned all of this, right? You guys can see the concrete slabs were basically taken up, right? And they're gonna put them back today, and then they're gonna do today also the side of the road. You can see this is what they're gonna lift them up, clean, and that's basically it. Okay, you guys can see this is we are in Yeoville, and they already closed the street, so we're gonna work today on that street, in this street specifically, basically, guys. Well, I guess there is good money being done here because the cars here are good stuff. You can see people there, they are like struggling. Yeah, we need to take also that car out in order to fix the whole thing. And there is more, wait. Yeah, so, yeah, there also needs to be fixed there. You can see the, yeah, pick it up, we'll pick it up from here later. Okay, cool. See the tar is here. So guys, just to see what's going on here is just amazing, and it will take like actually a few weeks to finalize all these blocks, but yeah, stuff is happening. I'm here, so I can see it for myself. Okay, so the street was closed now. It's being officially closed, guys. Okay, now we're going to the next one. Okay, so I was asking now, like when we leave here, right? They're gonna reopen the store again, for example, right? So I was asking what is gonna be done in order for that not to happen. So they said the JMPD is gonna be basically monitoring the store, and if they try something, they will be arrested. That's basically how it works. We're gonna see this disco also and see what's going on. I probably think, okay, these are people having, you know, their businesses and all that, the guys, but there are liquor license, there are health and safety hazards, you know. We need to check all this. It's crazy, you know. And yeah, I'm trying to show, but this is actually hectic. That everyone basically closed the stores. A cannabis shop here. So we're looking now for some illegal
did
drugs.
you throw everything out or did you smoke it? You smoked it? Hey, boy.
So these are like notices that are being passed, so people must comply, business must comply. If not, they will close. Yeah, next inspection.
So the smell here is quite bad because there's no ventilation, so yeah. Here, for example, if the building goes on fire, there is no tap there. That's the type of stuff we're looking for.
No, cannabis.
Cannabis.
Yeah.
Cannabis.
It's not just a plain sweet.
Okay. Oh wow.
And there's quite
A lot.
a lot of them.
Holy wow. Jesus. Modi.
If you can, they can give you 5. Will not.
Really? What? What? Okay. Let me see that. So the popcorn is also
Yeah,
infused.
even the popcorn.
Okay, guys. Yes, cannabis is legal in South Africa, but if you don't have a license to sell, it's illegal. Just to make it clear.
I mean, it looks like normal sweets. And if kids get them, I mean, they could die.
Jeez. Jeez. Okay, let's see what are they doing here. I'd like to take you guys around quickly. Okay, so seems like that demarcated the tar, right, from here to there. Yeah, so you can see they are demarcating where they're gonna do it. Like I told you guys, they now cleaning. How's guys, how are you? Okay, there you go. You see, this is how much garbage accumulates in these things. This, yo, look at this. Collecting the garbage now. You guys remember that side where the garbage was? Okay, they fetched everything here already. It seems like that the owner was arrested. I was saying this is like psychologically, difficult sometimes to see certain people being taken away and all that, and their business livelihoods and all that. But you can't be in business and sell, for example, sweets that can kill kids. You know what I mean? It's a health hazard. You can't do that. Yeah. Guys, doing this is difficult. I'm telling you, this is really, really difficult. Wow. So this will be the next shop.
African shop, yeah?
African food, yeah.
Okay, there you go. They're waiting for actually the licenses, so they are compliant. They should be fine to carry on business. You can't just open a shop and wait that everything is going to be fine. No, there's a lot to comply. See all the community here. Yep, law and order in the streets. Okay, so that will be the next one. Working.
It just expired end of February.
Okay.
So they will phone the company
Okay.
to come out and service
Okay.
this one that's in the front.
Alright, so they will be fine, they will be open. They are just talking with the owners now, but should be fine. Guys, I can tell you from now on, be afraid, be very afraid, because I will be watching. So I was asking now why this road looks like this. So do you guys remember I showed you guys the water leakage coming from up there, right? So they say that by the time they tar the road, the water will sweep all the tar away, you know what I mean? So you need to let the tar set for a while. So yeah, this is how it works now. They need to fix the leak and then retar the road. If it's leaking, the tar will be swept away. That was basically the explanation I got. Alright guys, now you are asking me, why don't you just go there and close the leakage? So this is the explanation. Joburg water needs to come here with an excavator, dig a little, like a trench, and basically it's a double joint. You need to close that, and that's how it fixes. But again, it's a process, so let's see. So you guys see what I was saying? So they are applying now the tar, and the tar is quite thin if you think about it, so a little bit of rain or a water leakage can sweep this away. You guys can see how much they already removed. Well done, guys, well done. This is the next one we're gonna show you guys, because when we arrived here they start to put everything down. You guys can see the problem there. It's like, seems like it's not properly taken care of.
The
Can't be
LPG
open.
code allows you to
Gas. They are cooking, so it can explode.
have for one night.
Okay, as you guys could see, so this building, what happened was they're trying to do some building alterations with no building plans, no nothing, so it's illegal. So they're gonna try and give them a notice, and then they will come back again to see if that is done. So guys, that's a contravention notice. So the owner is now signing. So the owner is signing now. Heavy, 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 heavy. So guys, this is like opening a casket. Look at all the dirt there, and they're gonna actually clean all this. So look at that. No joke. Guys, it's good, it's happening! They are basically working as a tire store, but they don't have the equipment to work, so health and safety is not there. So they're gonna get a notice, and then they will get back to see if everything was done as per. Yeah, they don't have building plans, nothing else. Okay, we're leaving now. Okay guys, this is what I call the multidisciplinary task force.